for report bi aba betomenim na Kasapa FM womo na ede report no eba na wo share the heading of report now womo say continue to insult us, we will vote you out. MPP executives to Kennedy Ejapong. There were more can NSA we share MPP polling station executives more Asin Central constituency na Kennedy Ejapong we MP ewo hono. There were more can NSA Kennedy Ejapong wo pay the attempt dodo. O sorry okotena radio so ana TV so no wo di obi atem sisi a wakwa akodi atem ema wo executives kra no atembidie no ebi abeka wo na wo se Kennedy Ejapong enim na osanso ebedi omo atembio a sa 2020 eye MPP for prime minister wo kwa akoye no wo beto etia no eye very very big traitor wo dey ba wo se Kennedy Ejapong is disrespecting them and he will pay dearly for such an attitude. Na instead of womode etu dwa no me read the actual very interesting because for me I talk about matters like this on this channel. It's meboboso actual it's just glad say some people are beginning to realize some things what you say will be enter Kennedy Ejapong the way sometimes the way he fight for people we all like it but se wo beba betena radio so TV so na wo de edidi atem nkwa wo didi atem am susu se ye ninia no ade a ebia ye nkola bi e won chen a ye nsusu ana ye mpene se wo mo ensian now wo mo almost se wo de tu dwa no I have the quotation here ma me read into wo say Honorable Kennedy Ejapong always sits on both social media and traditional media and insults the people of Asin Central, calling us lazy people, yet he needs our votes and we are going to show him during this upcoming 2020 elections that he cannot continue to disparage us. One say the Omo can and say Kennedy Ejapong ekotena social media and na TV and na radio so the work and say one more MPP executives now one more Asin Central hono one more lazy one more ni adwuma bia ye na de wo mo kan NSS ansema Kennedy Ejapong kan de bia wo kan no ma hye de yomuni de bia wo kan no ma hye de yomuni sisi ade wo mo ka tre NSS wo nim na wo bosu bioma senya wo gu ye nimu ase wo kan sema fa ye ho disrespect ye ho fa obuo mayen se wo nim na wo sanso ko ye bioma ye betu etia o. For me I don't know I'm feeling some way because I felt say Kennedy Ejapong wouldn't stand again. Because Samokaya last or not Babonte because of one put this the last time one standy biome. It is for these people to be coming out to be saying things like this. No, I'm actually surprised because in my mind, no Kennedy Ejapong cradi no one pet because when you say one standy, Wakaya audio be Babonte and Brana Kennedy Ejapong call Asin Central wako soon yet some audio leaked or Babonte na osun and I know workers on no crowd wa bre na trese MPP ba ko de ne ho akɔhye mo kasa mo asemba no munia efinichi ati aseba wo mo epese Kennedy Ejapong kasa mo a no mo abesua no na wakɔ akɔka asem na asemba na MPP mpanyifo no efinichi ntisisi a wa bre MPP one stand biom ena akɔfo ni aka se Kennedy Ejapong da be mensu stand until I feel say if Kennedy Ejapong made his mind not to stand again na say ende was stand there I feel say ebia de na akɔfo kan say oh can't stand no and no nama was standing. Intino send executives no ever said just say hey Ken one year ya yentoma me I feel say Kennedy Ejapong ka bia na ono kra won hia sa MP for 2020 mo na mo force ne say wonko na afa mo nso mo be yiku ase say wunim na we nja di atema wudi atem na yentoma wa nipa ko ya no so on pa de ne deda nti obetumi apokra hye mo but I don't know whether you understand what I am saying. You man say wo de ebia eduane wo bi wo eduane a wo bedi pati ase e na wo say wo de eduane na ma wadanfo e na wadanfo na tell say wo no mpe eduane no eduane no wo mpe we didi wa men e na wo force wadanfo na wadanfo no agi eduane no na wagi eduane no nye ndi eduane ni ewie ye na ebia wo kokan ase bi wo kan ase bi so he se wunnim na aduane na wo waje no wunnim na wo sanka sa asem bi ma magi aduane nipa ko in the first place o ka tro se won pay aduane no it will na se wo daji aduane na obetumi apro aduane na hye easy and enya ne ya nti for me na I feel said this thing the executives are actually saying no enka Kennedy Japan the quote. That's what I feel. Now yantu omonsem no so say he doesn't respect us because because he finances the party and he is backed by the Central Regional Chairman of the party, Mr. Kutin Jr. Now, and Bafono the Omo can say because Kennedy Japan, what this sika ebwa MPP party no, wombu obia because social MPP Central Regional Chairman krana, where ye Kennedy Japan na downfall. What Kennedy Japan echi wo de wo beye bia, and an crack. Now say ya Kennedy Japan any ekwusi insensem eba no. Kennedy Japan ba want be car say the Central Regional Chairman na down for pan. Iti di ankrofo na ika no utumi say ne kra bi wom. Because was say Kennedy Japan the say was sponsor party na down for Central Regional Chairman. Wono Kennedy Japan the constituency no so Central Region ho nti no. Odi obi anim fom because okoka ye den kra na the overall boss Central Region ho no wo na down for brebo. Aside that kind of national MPP national executives ni na you can't tell me say womu nim Kennedy Japan they know him ati ase nti nkofo no womo nkrata womo da ba no womo sanso so say so we are warning him to stop being arrogant towards us for we have already decided to vote massively against him in the upcoming MPP primary or parliamentary primaries. Ni papa waka assembly friend Isaac Ama after a demonstration na womo na kasan go for money abrio womo ye demonstration ti Kennedy Japan ya share za asem no anya asem kitu me tina ha me fi say bia letter keke na womo de abasa yen read intro no not knowing they did the demonstration at Asin Central against Kennedy Japan womo ye no de nsem we etuja nkofo enya abre. I thought it was just one of those matters. Will be our party named Kennedy Japan in Yasem and at a war babontin abekasa. Not knowing they did the demonstration, the matter is serious. Now it's here for when we hear no so at the boss say what I granted be an friend Mr. Joseph Aninkra Kutin. We you be a one so embedded we are not going say nanka one Kennedy Japan ever contested for that particular Asin Central no. Na it sounds like Kennedy Japan say me I can say he's well connected into no party executives no ya masani pano step down Emma Kennedy Japan work on no post. It is this time around a branch of so Trinity pie I friend Mr. Eric Bedu. Na Mr. Eric Bedu so when you're the only candidate about person will contest with Kennedy in Japan. Now it's here for a some way actually my junior basembi so. Last month Kennedy Japan went on I think net 2. And I walk assembly say one no Kennedy Japan or one at a party executives ne friend no say a branch be a Trinity say we be contest or no Kennedy Japan no more party executives no one more MP and my branch and contest. And I want to Kennedy Japan can hear TV so say well no catch and go say oh monja no contest me I'm not afraid of a year competition. That's what Kennedy Japan said. Naturally say indeed the Anglophone can say will be pajanity e was Asin Central where a na party executive no wo ma sheda mani bakuna step down no e ne cre because Kennedy Japan himself confirmed on the 2 said this current person na we na just be contesting the crown no party executive ni your ma just say wo be man step down wo no Kennedy Japan mom e no ka say da bi Mamon step mamo man step down mo man mbra na mi nsuro na nipa kwa wo be contest Kennedy Japan na your friend Mr. Eric Bedui wono so nsema wakwa akoka e wo kasapa ne se wonim se party for no epese ye ya no mo disqualify no wo mo use rough tactics because if you want to stand for parliamentary candidate what you do ne say your constituency executives no womo ebe ye interview no mo bisa wonsem it's based on that they can disqualify you on assembly awokra no odwe hokra wonti ase nti o so wono de interview a wakọ ene nyama ne ane kire se wa pass if your man fair playing grounds when Kennedy Japan be contest squarely into one man warning wo kwa kasapa e no koma warning say when him say party executives no person omu yi ni film mo nya rough for ho mo nya rough etie for mo ntwem ade comment box ni mo me da ha say hey asempeni